Hey Vogue, here is an in-depth makeup tutorial on how I got this amazing, scrumptious, yum delicious look together. And I hope that this helps anyone who's interested in learning how to do their makeup or wants to try something new and shake it up with their makeup. Shake it up. Anyway, so here is the final results of this tutorial that you're going to dive into just now. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and all the amazing things above. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial that I have for you today. And a little goes a long way. Even here, the outer corner of my eyes. After applying my concealer, before I blend or anything of the sorts, I use setting spray. Okay, so this is what my foundation and concealer look like blended together, looking very amazing, fantastic, scrumptious, everything nice, very much so. This is the Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless Press Powder. I just love the look it has and the effect it gives me. So while this sits and bakes, I'm gonna bronze my face. This is Catrice Cosmetics. So we're gonna bronze here. We're going for a full glam toasty look. We want to look like nutmegs and roasted almonds after this, like just everything beautiful, brown, crispy, toasty deliciousness. That's what we're going for today, and that's what this bronzer is gonna help achieve. Here as well, that little space, you see how I applied the pressed powder right across there by the outer corner of my eye and here. So the bronzer is gonna go like in the middle, just below where you'd apply your blush. That's where bronzer is gonna go. We need to blend it out. Okay, so eyebrows are brushed. Do light strokes because they need to look hair-like. So this is what we're looking like now. So concealer. So I've got my tapered brush. It looks like this. That's the brush I'm using. And then I'm gonna squeeze up this concealer and apply it along the bottom of my eyebrow. So you're gonna start here, just by the bottom of the start. Spritz just a bit of setting spray to blend it in better than you did with your brush, because there's only so much blending a tapered brush can do. Then every single step that we did here on this eyebrow, you're gonna do on this eyebrow as well. So I just got done with this eyebrow, so this is the look. Here is the look in the sun. Here is the look in the shade. As you can see, pretty good. My blush placements goes here and up, this pink and a bit of that one, so I'm gonna mix those two pinks. This is what the blush is looking like. There's the placements going up into my hair, and sideways into my sideburns here, this side as well. Here's the next palette that we're using. This is, I don't know what this palette is or where it's from, but this is what it looks like. Dark brown, see this dark cocoa brown with this, and I'm gonna mix them. So I'm just using the dark brown and just filling in the rest of my eyelid, the same cocoa looking dark brown, light brown and silver. This is a very ashy looking brown with silver that I'm applying in the inner corner, and you're gonna lift it a bit. Cool kajal eyeliner, and that's what we're gonna apply on the waterline of the eye. So highlighter, so here's my lips without any product. Here's this brown liner. Here it is. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Okay. Here's the finished look with everything together. Lip, eyes, cheek, base, everything all together. And if you're wondering why I skipped contouring, I don't contour my nose. Occasionally I will do my cheeks, but I don't, like, I rarely ever contour my nose. So if you do contour, don't skip your contour, do your contour. I just prefer not to. And here is the final finished result of this tutorial.